Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video. So today's video is, well, today's hair is from Celie hair. I do have their straight hair today. Okay, so I have 3 bundles of their straight hair in 18 inches, and I also have their lace frontal. Is a transparent lace frontal, and that is in the inches of 18 as well. So I'm just showing you guys what everything looks like straight out the packaging. There was no beards on this unit. There was no type of smell. The hair was soft and silky straight out the packaging. Didn't have any snags or tangles, and also the bundles were very full from the root to the tip. So this is the lace, as I said, is transparent. It does have like a 613 tint to it, so you will have to add foundation or tint it yourself. The unit is, well, the lace frontal is pre-plucked, which is a plus. You already know how I feel about that. So yeah, we diving right into the video. I'm just going in and securing the lace because I don't want any stains on my lace, and I swear by this method it does work. Okay, just make sure your heat is on hot when you do this part, and you want to make sure that you can feel like a film. I don't know how to explain it. You can feel when it's dry because it's hard and it's like shiny and clear, if that makes sense. So I did off camera go ahead and bleach this unit twice using my Wella bleach. I use 𝚬𝚑eveloper. This clip here is not conditioned, so if you guys see it looking a little dry, that is why. Okay. So like I said, today's, well, from the title you can see it's rainbow vibes all day. So I just wanted to play around with some colors more. I did go ahead and grab some new dyes that I haven't tried, so I was so freaking impressed with some of these dyes, y'all. I was really impressed. So I'm gonna let you guys watch it. And also on another note, I did leave the roots black just because like I just wanted like a different look, like a gradient effect. So I did leave the roots black and just add color. So I'm gonna let you guys watch it so you guys can see all the colors I use. I don't show me doing the other side because it's simply the same colors, but yeah. All right, so look, she is conditioned and she is blow drying, well, air drying, sorry, air drying. So this is what she looked like, and this is what she looks like once she is definitely straightened. So yeah, the colors came out freaking beautiful. Like when I said beautiful, they came out beautiful. Only thing I wish I did was move the colors up closer to each other. I took up majority of the section. The pink and the purple took over almost the entire unit, and then when I did like the yellows, the blues, and the greens, they had like a little small section. As you guys can see, I don't understand what I was doing when I did this, but you know, trial and error. Next time I'll move the colors up or give them more bigger sections so the colors will be even, because I feel like most of the color is on the edges, like towards the ears, and I'm like, why did you do that? So anyway, it is what it is. I did leave this color in overnight and rinse it out the next day. I put conditioner in, left the conditioner in all day and rinsed it out. Saying that was, if you use conditioner, if you leave it in for a little bit, it can fade the color out. I did that before. It didn't do it with this unit because I left it in, but if you're like washing it out like 2 or 3 hours and putting conditioner in, it's gonna fade the color. So be careful of that. Most of the time I condition before I start my coloring process, which is easier and you don't have to worry about, you know, colors fading. So anyway, I'm sitting here melting this onto my forehead. Don't mind my edges. They really scruffy in this video. Like I just didn't do anything with them. So that's what we're doing, and I'm just using my 𝚬𝚑 hairspray. Y'all know that is just the plug right there. It's so quick and it's so easy. With this unit, well, with this wig, I did use the hot glue gun method, but I didn't use the hot glue. I just used hair glue, the 30-second Salon Pro hair glue. I used that to create the unit, and I'm able to, you know, get that done within an hour. So after I go ahead and secure this all the way around, I do put my scarf on, and this is what it looks like after my scarf is on. I'm just gonna do something natural. I didn't want to add a tons of baby hair because, as you guys can see with the frontal was just ready to go. So I just add 2 swoops, and I'm like, sis, we're leaving it natural and we're calling it day. Now, I didn't want to leave it straight because you guys couldn't see the colors. Like I said, I was doing too much when I did the purple and the pink. It took over the entire unit. So it's like a low-key, peekaboo rainbow type look because the colors are beneath, but I wanted to curl it so you guys can see it. Now I'm working on with my curls. I'm working on, you know, all that jazz. I haven't really been perfecting my curls because I've been leaving all my units straight. Curls and waves and stuff like that, that is actually one of my weakest areas when it comes to hair. So that is one thing I will be stepping out my comfort zone and doing this summer. So you guys bear with me with the curls. Like I said, I did the best I can. I just wanted you guys to see the color and gradient. However, I really love the colors and how it came out. I really love how it took to the hair. I didn't have any problems with this hair at all. Of course, the unit does shed. It did minimal shedding. I got majority of the shedding when I started cutting into the lace frontal, though, like to fit it around the ear tabs. But other than that, she is good to go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to don't forget to check the description box below for more information. Y'all had hair spray stuck in it, so if y'all was looking, I had a hairspray when I just combed that. But anyway, don't forget to check in the description section below. All information will be there. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Also, let me know for tips for curling as well, because, you know, I really want to get into more styling videos, not necessarily coloring, just leaving it straight. But I don't know, you know, see you guys later.